When you are in need of roof repair, replacement, or installation of a new roof, it is important to hire a good contractor for the job. Your roof is what protects your family, your furniture, and all your belongings, and even minor roof issues can turn into major problems if left unrepaired. Here are 5 things you need to do before choosing a roofing contractor. Number 1. Make sure they are properly licensed, insured, and bonded. Make sure that your roofing contractor has the proper license and liability insurance. You should ask to see their certificates and call their insurance carrier to confirm that they are valid. Number 2, check their experience. Experience matters when it comes to roofing services. Find out how many years they have been in business and if they have established a successful track record. Number 3, request for a roof inspection. It is critical to ask for a free inspection. A good roofing contractor will carefully review your current roof or structure, make a list of potential issues, and recommend choices to you, and offer a concise estimate. Number 4, pay attention to their attitude. Communication is the key to a successful job. You should be able to ask any questions that you may have, and they should give you answers that are easy to understand. Number 5, review contract and warranty policy thoroughly. Make sure that you check the documentation that you are given. You should be provided with a contract that details the works, estimated timescale, material costs, and warranty information. Choosing a professional roofing contractor who has the knowledge, skills, and experience is important, but it does not have to be difficult, as long as you keep these points in mind. If you are looking for a highly trained, licensed, insured, and experienced team of contractors who can offer the best roofing services for all types of roof, contact us today for a free, no-obligation consultation.